You know what they say, there's nothing better than blowing a hole. Well, we have battery. Let's close that again. Today what I got to do is I got to cut some boxes, which tomorrow's garbage day, so I got to clean up the garage from yesterday's mess with installing the floor. Everything worked out perfectly today because I got something today that I was excited about because I've been that I ordered online, and today we will be unboxing this bad boy. And I am excited about this. Inside again, so let's see if what I got will work. Yes, it did. And yes, it did. Oh, I can't wait. This thing is awesome. Alrighty, so let's see what we got here. We got the plate, got the clamp, instructions, of course, always gotta have instructions. We got the catcher. Very good. I did not buy the same saw, which is good. Which is really good. And this is lighter too. It's a bigger saw, but it's lighter. This is a much bigger saw by a long shot. All the way around. Come on, there's gotta be. There we go. Whoa, was not expecting that. No, I was not. That's like a zombie coming out of a coffin or some shit. With the saw attached, really? There we go. Suction power. Now let's do a side comparison. Wow, look at that. Yeah. And look at the size comparison. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Big difference in size. I like that. Let's put this on. Very good. I can't wait to use that thing. I can't. yes. Put that back down for safety's sake. Perfect. There we go. Oh my god, I love my new saw. I love my new saw. Oh, that's awesome. And these go in the house because I will be setting up a little Ryobi area in my game room. The leaf blower does a good job and all, but the little blower gets in all the fucking cracks. Alright, let's put this on the couch. Oop. Got one thing I wanted to do, which I should have done before Yep, let's put it back on the ground. That's one thing I wanted to do before I do that, is empty this out. This is probably a lot. Alright, so let's continue. Ate dinner really quick, so now let's continue to take these off and put them on the next. See, I keep forgetting it every time. Every time I keep forgetting it. Perfect. Now let's put you in your spot. I was worried for a little bit that it was too big, but luckily it is not. Let's put this proper and tighten this stuff. All my batteries distributed throughout the house and in here. Look at that. That is, now that looks beefy. I'm seriously, I want to hear how quiet this is. Oh, the safety pin's right there. Oh, you gotta push that in. Oh, is there? Ooh, that's an immediate stop too. It doesn't have to like just let itself spin out. It's an immediate stop. And that is quiet. Oh my god, that is quiet. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that cut. Now the other one, there would be my other saw, there would be chips all over that, but that is quiet. I gotta do another one. Oh my god. Holy shit. That is awesome. Oh my god, that is awesome. Do you know what I gotta do for you guys? This is what I gotta do for you guys. I have to. So let's back you up. Let's back you up. Gotta be careful. overly excited. Alright, this is the noise from this frickin' thing. Now, and it doesn't stop by itself. Alright. And then we're gonna go immediately to that again. Oh my god, I love this saw. Oh my god. That saw is amazing. Now I think, this one is not a piece of shit by any means. I'm not done using this yet, but because I blew it off, I wanted to get a picture ready for this group that I'm in for Ryobi. It's called Ryobi Tools User Group. If you ever want to go to a place to where it's all Ryobi fans and that people are posting their Ryobi products and projects every day, a lot, join the group. That is good. Bing, okay. Now time to get back to work. Letting it go too soon. Last one, then. I think I owe my wife's car a car wash. Yeah, there's sawdust covering it. I'm sorry, sweetie. Wow, this thing is so, seriously, so light. Jesus. Yeah, I can't wait for summer to... I can't wait for summer to get here. Yeah, as you can see, my... is all in disarray right now. It's okay, I'll take care of that tomorrow. It is 9 o'clock, just about. 8:45. I want to go ahead and spend some time with my wife. Thank you for joining for the unboxing of my new saw, the OnePlus 10-inch miter saw. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think of the saw if you have it in the comments below. But yeah, if you, that's worth every penny, 100%, 100%. And yeah, it's portable.